Section 11.2 Angle in alternate segment. First of all, we have a tangent here. The tangent touches the circle at P, and there is another point on the circle called Q. Join PQ, and then we have two segments here, and there are two angles. These angles are called tangent chord angles. For the figure above, APB is a tangent, and the tangent chord angle is angle QPB, which is made by PB and PQ. Okay, the tangent chord angle is on the right. The alternate segment, which is on the left, is here, and there is an angle, which is called an angle in the alternate segment. These two angles are equal. The same situation in the figure below. A tangent APB, a tangent chord angle made by the tangent and PQ, and the alternate segment is the yellow segment. Okay, we have an angle here. On the other side of this blue line, this is the angle in the alternate segment, and these two angles are equal. When we use this property, we just write down the name of angle in alternate segment. That's it. Example 7. Mark the keywords semicircle, tangent, and the question is find angle BAD. This angle. BD is the tangent, and by the angle in the semicircle, we have angle ABC equals 90 degrees. Okay, and 130 degree minus 90 degrees, we have angle C boy dot equals 40 degrees. Okay, and this is tangent chord angle made by the tangent and BC. The angle in alternate segment is angle BAD, which is 40 degrees, just like this angle. Okay. Property 6, which is the converse of property 5. This property lets us know a straight line is a tangent or not. Let's see the example. Example 8. TB is tangent, then we use the color in yellow. The question is TA is tangent or not. Then we use the color in red represent it. Because AB is tangent, therefore 60 degree is tangent chord angle made by the tangent and PQ. Okay. The angle in alternate segment is this angle, so it is 60 degree. Now we can check. This is 60 degree, which is equal to this angle. Hence, we can claim that the straight line TA is tangent by using the converse of property 5. Example 9. The keywords and the question is TA is tangent or not. This 9. Since triangle PQR is equilateral triangle, show each angle equals 60 degrees. It is the property of it. And very easy to calculate, to find. This is 50 degrees. And the 50 degrees is not equal to 60 degrees. So we can claim that TA is not a tangent. And we can write down like this. Okay, you can do the homework now.